So what can a 40-second video trailer for kids possibly teach us about marketing? Well, it turns out a ton. We're going to deconstruct a trailer from a channel called SparkQuarkKids, and believe me, packed inside these few seconds is a total masterclass in how to grab attention, build trust, and get people to actually do something. Let's break it down.
This is the big question, right? It's what every creator, every marketer is up against in this world of endless scrolling. But for a kids channel, man, that challenge is on a whole other level. The SparkQuarkKids trailer doesn't just answer this question, it practically gives us a blueprint. And that blueprint, it all starts with a sensory explosion.
The first 5 seconds are literally everything. This isn't about explaining what you do, it's about interrupting the scroll. It is a full-on battle for attention, and this trailer, well, it does not pull any punches.
Now, this isn't just random chaos, It's a perfectly engineered sensory assault. In just 5 seconds, you get the sheer power of a rocket launch, the visual magic of swirling colors, and the pure, silly fun of a dancing cat. These cuts are so fast they're designed to overload your brain just enough to make you stop and think, whoa, what is this? And that's all before you even see the brand name.
And it's not just what you see, it's what you hear. The voiceover isn't explaining anything complex, it's using the language of action and excitement. Whoosh, boom, zap. That stuff just bypasses all the logical parts of our brain and hits you right in the fun zone. It sounds exciting, long before you have any idea what it actually is.
And that is the entire point of a great hook. It has one job and one job only. Create enough curiosity to earn the next 30 seconds of someone's time. That's it. It's not there to sell or explain the whole story. And this trailer, it absolutely nails it.
Okay, so they've got your attention. But the clock's ticking, right? The trailer immediately switches gears from that crazy sensory overload to being crystal clear. It's answering the viewer's next big question. Okay, you got me. So what is this place?
And bam, here's the answer. Look at how tangible and exciting these things are. They're not saying, we teach science. No way. They're saying, you get to make volcanoes erupt. And you get to code your own robot pets. Every single one is a specific, awesome thing you can do. This immediately tells you exactly what you're going to get if you stick around. This is absolutely brilliant. By explicitly calling out their audience, they do two things at once. First, any kid in that age range immediately feels seen. It's like, hey, this is for me. And second, it's a huge green light for any parent watching that this content is safe, it's age-appropriate, and it's designed specifically for their child. That builds trust in an instant.
All right, so the viewer is hooked. They know what the channel's all about. Now comes the most critical part. How do you turn that interest into real action? How does the trailer actually ask them to subscribe?
You gotta notice the language here. It doesn't just bark an order at you, subscribe. It starts with an invitation to play, grab your lab coat, or just your imagination. It frames the act of subscribing not as a favor you're doing for the channel, but as the next logical step in your own fun adventure. The steps are super simple, they're clear, and they're all about action.
And this is the payoff. The big why. Why should you subscribe? Not for some vague promise of cool videos someday, but for 3 new experiments every single day. That number is genius. It's specific, it's frequent, and it creates this powerful sense of value. It basically turns subscribing into a tangible daily gift.
And this is the final knockout punch. They don't just ask you to subscribe for what's coming in the future, they immediately tease the very next video. This takes all that curiosity they just built up and gives you a concrete reason to smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. It's just a killer conversion tactic. All right, they've made the ask, they've pushed for the subscribe, but hang on, the trailer's not done yet. The final few seconds are all about solidifying the brand identity, making sure this isn't just another channel you follow, but a brand you actually remember.
I mean, come on, how perfect is that tagline? Ignite curiosity is this active, inspiring mission, and one quark at a time is such a clever nod to the channel's name, while also telling you that learning here happens in small, fun, totally manageable bites. It's catchy, it's memorable, and it just perfectly sums up what they're all about.
And this final line, delivered in this excited whisper, it's pure genius. It directly tackles the biggest potential problem for its audience, the fear that science is boring. It confronts that idea head-on and completely reframes it as the channel's greatest strength. It's like they're saying, we're not just science, we're the antidote to boring science.
So, after tearing this trailer apart piece by piece, what's the secret? What's the repeatable formula that we can actually take away from all this? What's the blueprint that makes it so darn effective?
It really boils down to this 4-step playbook. First, you have to stop the scroll with a powerful sensory hook. Second, you immediately give them a clear value proposition. Third, you drive action with a frictionless call to action that has a real, tangible reward. And finally, you seal the deal with memorable branding that builds a real identity. And listen, this isn't just for kids' content. This formula applies to anyone trying to capture attention and build an audience.
And that really leaves us with a big question, doesn't it? As we see more and more content fighting for our attention, is this kind of high-energy, marketing-savvy, and brilliantly structured approach the new blueprint? Not just for kids, but for all educational content. It's a really interesting question to chew on. Thanks for digging into this with me.